Hey fam, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be doing my very last Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is the Allure Beauty Box from December 2020, but this is the last box I will be receiving from Allure, so I figured it's been, almost 2 years that I've had this beauty subscription, so I thought we would give it a final hurrah. So if you were interested in seeing what I got in my December 2020 Allure Beauty Box, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. So I have to say I'm kind of sad it's the end of an era. Our last Allure Beauty Box. I did opt to cancel my subscription with Allure prior to receiving the December box. I waited for this to bill because I had promised to keep the subscription through the rest of the year just to kind of see 3 new boxes under their new, more expensive subscription. I did receive correspondence from Allure when I opted to cancel that they were willing to give me, I think, like a few more months at a $20 price, and I didn't bite. I'm not interested. But we can go ahead and check out these products and see what they sent, see if this is something that would be interesting to you. I would recommend BoxyCharm or Ipsy at the price point of this Allure Beauty Box, just because I don't think you're getting a really great value for your money. Let's see if I regret canceling my subscription when we see what's inside. So here is our Allure Beauty Box. Again, it comes with the little magazine each month. And this month their cover is actually really beautiful. It kind of is more reminiscent of spring, I would say, with these gorgeous colors, but maybe it's more like festive for the new year. That could be what they were going for, but this is really beautiful. I love all the little glitter. This magazine does provide pricing as well as descriptions and why it was chosen by the beauty editor that chose it. And I think that that's a really nice feature of this subscription. So the first product in the box is this one from Mud Masky. This is the Leave Me On Winter Mask. It is supposed to protect, moisturize, repair, nourish, and help with anti-aging. I do like that this is a leave-on mask. I found that with masks, I just often don't make the time for one that I have to put on and then wash back off again. I should though, I really should. Especially with like working from home, I really have no excuse not to. But I just find that I really don't make that time as often as I wish I would. But with a leave-on mask, I feel like this is something that I could easily put on in the morning and then just wear all day. And in the wintertime, my skin does get a lot drier. So I am kind of happy to see this. Mud Masky is a brand I believe we got in BoxyCharm a couple months back, if memory serves. So I'm interested to try this. We'll see what happens. And this is our first full-size product. The next product I see in the box is this one by Cetaphil. This is the Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Day Cream. This is just a deluxe size. I am happy to see a moisturizer in the box because I do go through moisturizer pretty quickly. However, at the $23 price point, when we're already only getting 3 full-size products and 3 deluxe size products at the same price as Boxy and Ipsy, I'm kind of surprised to see a drugstore product in the box. Not really the most exciting product to get, especially as a deluxe size. But I've heard good things about Cetaphil here and there, and so I'm interested to try this product. It's also something I can see myself using up quickly and getting back out of my collection, so that's helpful, especially with the amount of skincare I currently have. I'll probably tear through this in like a week or 2, but I'm definitely willing to give it a try. I can always use moisturizer. I feel like I go through it really quickly, so we'll see what I think about this product. Our next product is another deluxe size. It is this one from Caudalie. This is the Venosource SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. So again, a moisturizing product. So far we've had 3 moisturizing products in the box. I'm grateful because I have dry skin, but I wonder if somebody didn't have the same concerns I did, if they would be grateful to receive 3 hydrating products in one beauty box, especially where there's so few products. And it's the same price as beauty boxes that tend to give 5 to 6 full-size products. This is kind of why I've been questioning Allure a bit recently. Our next product is from La Roche-Posay. I think if memory serves, the last 3 months we've gotten a La Roche-Posay product in every single box. This is a Retinal B3 Serum, and it is supposed to provide a pure and gradual release of retinol, and it's got vitamin B3 in it. Retinol products tend to scare me a little bit because I know that you have to take extra care of your skin, and there's kind of like things you should do and things you shouldn't do with retinol, so I just tend to get a little bit nervous using retinol products, but I am excited because I know that they do help with anti-aging, and that is a concern of mine. So I will hopefully give this a try at some point. This one is teeny tiny. It's like the size of like my finger, pretty much. So I mean, we'll give it a whirl. We'll see what the tea is with this. This next product was a bonus item. It came in this little bag with Beauty Loot written on it, and this apparently was a thank you gift from Allure. It wasn't part of my normal subscription, but this is from Amore Pacific. This is the Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. Now this is something I do appreciate receiving, though when I show you how little comes in this, you're gonna be like, girl, are they really thanking you with this little tiny bit of something? This is a teeny little eye cream. There's probably from like here up is filled in, so maybe like a half a teaspoon of product. But to be honest with you, I have been running a little low on eye cream. I just finished one up and I don't have a lot of eye cream in my collection. So I'm excited to get this. I actually want to shop Boxy. I do want to shop Boxy pop-up to see if they have any eye creams available in January when our choice window opens, just because like I really am running kind of low. And skincare is so expensive, so I'm hoping I can find some good deals on eye cream and Boxy pop-up, please. So I am happy to get this, even if it is just a little bit of product. It's something's better than nothing. Our second full-size product in the box was this one, which is the By Me X My Beauty brand. This is a liquid liner. It's got what looks like a felt tip, and it's just black. So, I mean, this is something that I'll test out and try. I've never tried anything by this brand. I do go through liquid liners. They do dry out. So this is something handy to have in my collection, provided it works well. So we'll give it a try. And the last item in my box is gonna be a giveaway item. This is the Ciate London 9-piece eyeshadow palette. This is only the second eyeshadow palette I've ever received in Allure Beauty Box. And it's a really pretty little palette. It's got pretty pink packaging, and it's about the size of the Huda Obsessions palettes. So inside we have a really pretty neutral color story. There's some shimmers and some mattes. And I do think this is a really pretty color story, but it did remind me of my editor palette from Ciate London. And my collection right now is just like so cluttered that I don't want to add more stuff that's more like redundant to things I already have. So I figure it's better to share this with you guys than to use it and have it just kind of sit in my collection. So I think it's better to pass this along to one of you guys, because I just really don't have the space in my collection for anything that seems kind of redundant to what I already have. So I'm happy to be able to share this with you guys. I do enjoy my editor palette, so I hope that you guys enjoy this formula as well. So that is it for my Allure Beauty Box, my very last one, the end of an era. What are my thoughts? And do I still think I made the right choice canceling my subscription? The answer to that is yes. I still am happy that I canceled. I think I would rather have the $23 in my checking account each month than this array of mini products. I just feel like Allure's been phoning it in the past couple months. I don't know why they raised their prices. I think their $15 subscription made a lot more sense for their product offerings, and it seemed more exciting. At this price point, we're getting into competition with Ipsy and BoxyCharm, which I would say are both better options than the Allure Beauty Box. I've never subscribed to Ipsy, and I don't plan to subscribe to Ipsy because I do have a rather large makeup collection, but I do love BoxyCharm. Highly recommend it. And I think the Boxy pop-up is a fantastic option each month to add on products that you absolutely love at incredible discounts. For $23, this just is not worth it to me, unfortunately. But I am happy that I tried it. I'm happy that I could report to you guys about this subscription. And I do hope that maybe if enough of us complain about this, they'll bring it back to what it used to be. I didn't plan on canceling my subscription until they've raised the prices and started offering what I thought were mediocre products for the price. So that's pretty much that. So anyway, all mediocre things must come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much. And until the next video, bye-bye and bye-bye.